Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and in this episode of The Haul, we're checking out 5 of the easiest mods to install on your 2019 and newer Ram 1500. So maybe you just picked up your new Ram, or you've had it for a while. Most of us want to make a few changes to our truck to really make it ours. For those of you who wanted to make your truck a bit more custom, but you don't know where to start, or you're not ready for some of the bigger modifications just yet, I picked 5 of the easiest mods to get you started. All of these modifications that I chose are doable at home in your driveway with just basic hand tools, and some don't require any tools at all. We're going to show you what to expect as far as the install goes, and all of the parts that I chose will come in at a 1 out of 3 on the difficulty meter. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe for other cool content like this, as well as product videos on each of these mods that I picked, and a bunch more. So enough from me, let's jump into the 5 easiest mods for your Ram. To start off with our easiest mod out of the 5, I chose a set of floor mats. A great option to protect your investment and a very simple install. The particular mats that I chose are the Rough Country Heavy Duty front and roof floor mats. Now, whenever you get a car or truck, whether it's new or new to you, floor mats are an easy mod done by car enthusiasts and your average Joe alike. Although they are less than glamorous, what they lack in excitement they make up for in practicality and ease of install. Because at the end of the day, who cares if your truck is lifted 6 inches if you have crumbs in your carpet, am I right? Jokes aside, this install is a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches. All that's required is pulling out your factory mats and setting these in their place. They offer substantially more protection when compared to your stock ones. These will cover all areas of your footwell, providing maximum protection, keeping your carpet looking brand new. The mats are simple to pop in and out, and cleanup is as easy as spraying them off with some soap and water. They are made of polyethylene material and feature a nice black finish and a sleek appearance due to their laser measured design to complement your truck, offering both function and form. So with the easiest of our 5 mods tackled, let's kick it up a notch with arguably the most common truck modification. The second easiest mod is the tried and true tonneau cover. A tonneau cover offers protection to your truck's bed, shielding it from the elements and would-be thieves. There are many different types of tonneau cover, and I chose this option because of its ease of install, level of protection, and ease of operation. The tonneau we have here is the BAK Industries Backflip FiberMax Trifold Tonneau Cover. The Trifold tonneau is one of the more popular styles of tonneau cover, and although there are a ton of options out there, I like this style for its versatility. Its hardcover design offers the ultimate in protection, and the trifold style allows it to fold out of the way quickly and easily to haul larger cargo. Install for this tonneau is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and can be done in under an hour. It's as simple as laying the rails on the bed of your truck, clamping them down with simple hand tools, and bolting the cover to the rails. From there, you get the seamless operation of a trifold, so you can leave it installed on your truck even when you're not using it and have access to your bed. The tonneau is constructed from a durable frame and lightweight aluminum panels that fold all the way up to the front of your bed, giving you access in seconds. This functional mod also sits flush to your bed, giving it a more streamlined look that easily blends into the lines of your truck for a barely there appearance. Now that we dipped our toes a little deeper into the mods, it's time to keep it up with another useful mod that features a simple install. Side steps are a textbook functional mod that allow you an easier leg up into your truck and give you a bit of added side protection and style as a bonus. The steps I chose are the Barricade Rattler running boards in textured black. While they're a slight step up in difficulty over your tonneau, you can still do this install in your driveway with basic hand tools. This may seem like more involved of an install, but will still fall at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and will install in about an hour. With just a few bolts, you can add a step to your truck as well as some protection and style, and the best part is you don't even need a jack to get the job done. In order to get these installed, the brackets slide over the studs on your truck, and then it's just a matter of bolting your steps to the brackets. I like this running board in particular because I like the streamlined look it provides, and the entire board is a step, so you can get the most stepping surface. They provide easy cab access while offering those extra benefits like protection and added style to your truck. Side steps, and these in particular, really make a difference when it comes to the aesthetic by giving your truck a more aggressive and off-road look while still offering a simple install. So for our next mod, we're heading to the engine bay. Now that we're under the hood, we can check out the next mod. It may be a little bit hard to see back here, and we're going to ignore the intake for now. We'll get to that in a second. Traditionally, working under the hood can seem intimidating, but this plug-and-play option can't get any easier. Our next mod is an oil separator, more commonly referred to as a catch can. This oil separator is a bit different from our previous mods in that it doesn't provide an appearance upgrade. However, adding an oil separator to your truck is a great modification to protect your investment. This kit is designed to trap blow-by from re-entering your engine through your intake. Now, if you're not sure what blow-by is, it's a fuel, oil, and sometimes carbon mixture that doesn't get burned up in your engine and gets rerouted back into your intake. This type of routing is done by manufacturers for emissions reasons and is common in most modern engines. However, this can gunk up your valves and shorten the life of your engine over time, so it's definitely a wise investment to install a catch can to trap any blow-by and not reintroduce it into your engine. I chose the JLT 3.0 black oil separator for the passenger side. This install is very simple because this kit from JLT is completely plug and play, which is the main reason I picked it for this video. While it may seem complicated at first, the install requires quick disconnect connectors and can be done with basic hand tools. The install will still get a 1 out of 3 wrenches, just like our other picks, and it can be completed in under an hour. And while we're under the hood to install our catch can, we can take a look at our final mod, which is the cold air intake. The cold air intake is a first mod choice for a lot of car and truck owners because of its ease of install and the benefits that it provides. The cold air intake allows your engine to breathe easier, often increasing horsepower and torque a bit to boot. The filters and tube are often more efficient than factory, and this does look much nicer under your hood, adding that style component as well. The particular intake I chose for this video is the S&B cold air intake with oiled cleanable cotton filter. This kit consists of a reusable cotton oiled filter, a sealed air box with inspection window, and the intake tube that was designed to maximize airflow. The combination of the intake tube and massive oiled and cleanable filter provides more airflow as far as volume. That translates to a bit more horsepower and torque, as I mentioned before, along with a better throttle response and acceleration, plus it offers that sleek look under the hood and the all-black construction and inspection window for the filter. As far as the install goes, it will still be a 1 out of 3 wrenches. In just a few steps, you can have your intake swapped out for this upgrade, and it can be done with basic hand tools. After you disconnect a few factory connectors and remove the intake tube and box, your new intake bolts right up to the factory location. Also, if you need another reason why this is an easy mod, a tune is not required for this intake. While some intakes out there require you to purchase and upload a tune, this S&B option is a no tune required intake, making it ready to use with no extra steps. So that's gonna do it for our top 5 easiest mods. Tell me what you guys think, what your choices for the easiest mods would be in the comments below. Also, make sure again to hit the like button and subscribe for other content like this, and as always, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.